Today's video from Sam4S Help, we're looking at group reporting functionality on the ER900 series. So the model in the video is the 940, but the process will be the same across the 900 range. So on this machine I have PLUs set up, and all my PLUs belong to different groups. I've got two groups set up, and you can run a report by group. Mine's a useful report because I've split my wet and dry sales. So the report is available both in the X, Z and then also the periodic report modes as well. So I'll run one of each just so you can see the difference. To run the X version of the report, you turn the key to the X mode and then 5 subtotal. So as I've explained previously, X mode reporting is read only, so it doesn't reset the data. So this data will keep rolling over. This is the information you get. Group 1, wet sales, count, so 2,262.9 items have been sold, so I must have done some fractional entries at some point. Total amount, £6,561.93, and then the same information is below for the dry sales. So when is that information from? That information is from whenever you last ran the Z version of the group report. So if we now do the Z version, I'll prove the point. It's key to Z mode and then again 5 subtotal, so the only difference is the mode you're in. This Z report is exactly the same information because we haven't done any more sales since we ran the X version of the report. But what this has done is this has wiped down the X and Z file and put all the data over into the periodic file. I can prove the point if I run another X report now, 5 subtotal, and then run another Z report, 5 subtotal. They'll both be at 0 because we've wiped that file down. Remember that the group report stands by itself. It doesn't affect your PLU reports or your financial reports. So there you go. You can, I don't know if you'd want periodic group reporting. It kind of depends how you're running your business and what information you want from your reports and how regularly you want that information. But that data is now available in the periodic X and periodic Z files. So in theory, you could run a Z1 group report daily. Seems a little over the top, but it might work for your business. You could run it weekly. But whenever you do run it, that data is then accumulating in the Z and X2 files, so you could then use the periodic version, as either a weekly, monthly, quarterly report, providing that you remember to do it weekly, monthly or quarterly. So if you wanted to run the periodic report in either the X, which is read only not reset, or the resetting Z mode, it would be 205 instead of 5 and then subtotal. I've not actually run this the first time on this machine that I've run the group report, so it's the same data, but what you'd normally expect is for this data to be a consolidation of all those, so it'd be a lot more, the figures would be a lot higher. And again, I'll just prove the point. 205 subtotal, the Z2 file is now wiped as well, so that report is now empty. Okay, I hope that video has been helpful and made sense. We've got a playlist appearing on screen now with a lot more information on all the reports you can run on the 900, so I recommend checking that out. You can also subscribe to this YouTube channel or visit sam4shelp.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.